Hi everyone. Oh, I'm super nervous right now. I just don't know how to vlog just yet, but hopefully I get the hang of it soon. Oh. So I apologize in advance if I'm super awkward or if the camera angle is like wonky. So this week Philip and I are going to Hunter Valley for a couple of days and a couple of nights. It's gonna be super fun. But yeah, I'm whispering at the moment because it is 4:27 a.m. and this girl still hasn't packed. I'll show you guys what I have so far. Pretty much nothing. I woke up at like 3 a.m. and I still had the dryer. It was still on. I was like, oh shit, I still haven't packed yet. I'm freaking out right now. I always leave things last minute, which is pretty bad. But yeah, hopefully the clothes dry soon so I can start packing. Probably put some makeup on before we leave. This guy, rude, decided to come visit uninvited after I ate Hungry Jack's last night. Just finished packing, yay. I'm so excited. So yeah, the time is now 6:30, so I should probably take a nap before we leave so I get like a solid 3 hours nap. Then I'll be on my way to pick up Philip. Oh yeah, I'm the one driving there, so it says that it will take us around 3 hours to get there. So we're planning on having breakfast around 10, going Woolies to get a few stuff, and then we'll be on our way around 11, and that'll give us enough time to drive there before our check-in, which is at 2 p.m. We are staying at this place called Pockeblin. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but yeah, I think it's Pockeblin Village. So yeah, it should be good. I'll update you guys later.
Fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long.
Hey guys, so we've arrived at our hotel. It's actually quite nice. Let me show you guys around. So this is our view. It's so pretty. So we come into our room. Sliding door, always forget. That light though, how cute is that? Oh sorry guys, I realized I pressed the turn off button instead of the zoom in button. So yeah, where was I up to? Yeah, so the light, it's so cute. I want to take that home. So I guess this is where the lounge area is, nice and chill. Then we got a TV and a desk right next to it with a mirror. Nice. So in this cabinet here, we've got our coffees, teas, kettle, and a fridge. Cool, cool, cool. The ironing board was inside the wardrobe. I took it out to iron my clothes. They gave us a complimentary wine, which is so nice of them. Hi guys, this is what I'm wearing to tonight's dinner. These pants are so cool. Yeah, hangers. The usual. Then we got our bathroom here. Ooh, the light seems pretty nice here. The rest of the lights inside the room, it's pretty dim. This is where I'm gonna do my makeup. Well, I already did my makeup. Yeah. Philip stuff and Philip stuff. Kidding. That pile is mine. Pretty messy, eh? There's the loser inside the bed. He doesn't want to be in my vlogs. So yeah, so far so good. The receptionist was really nice here. So yeah. I'll check back with you guys later. Yeah, term first two. Term Moscato Rosa, yeah. We came when everything's about to close.
There's so many images in my head. You gotta know, I gotta show you all the things you keep in my bed. Don't take it home, I get so lonely. I just want you laying next to me. Where am I supposed to find someone else? How could you ask the impossible? Get what you need, why don't you come see? Just imagine you and me, touching, wildin'. Imagine you and me, touching, and wildin'. Imagine you and baby, party all night in 6th gear. Oh yeah, but don't you know that AC is blowing over here? Oh yeah. Don't let me blow you high now. Don't be scared to fall. You know where the ground is at. I'll be there for you. Don't try to catch yourself. Too many things in play. Too many things in play. Just like when you told me like that. Yeah, and I'm sure it's nothing you don't like. Yeah, I'm beaming up to you tonight. There's so many images in my head. You gotta know, I gotta show you all the things you keep in my bed. Don't take it home, I get so lonely. Imagine you and me, touching, wildin'.
Hey guys, so we're probably gonna head home now to eat a bit before dinner. Yeah, we're basically done. This place is so pretty. I reckon Storybook was my favorite one, only because we were mainly just goofing around, as you can tell. But yeah, so instead of going to dinner tonight, we just decided to get KFC. We got so tired that we just went, well, we took a nap. I'm so excited. He was craving bigger wings and I was craving potato chips with gravy, so yes. Got a pimple right there. I bet you I'm gonna get another one after this. Oh my god, I can't even talk because it's like drying up so quickly. Well, I've got a glam mask on, looking crazy. And guys, after I ate KFC, I got a pimple right on my ear. Like, what the hell? It hasn't even been a day. Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna go bike riding. It's gonna be super fun and super funny because Philip doesn't know how to ride a bike. Last time I took him for our 60th anniversary, we went bike riding. Instead of going like a route that they gave us, we went around in circles at a park. But he did pretty good, so hopefully he gets comfortable with it today since we're just riding straight. But then again, we are also drinking a little bit of wine here and then since it's winery to winery that we're stopping at. So yeah, it's gonna be really funny. Well, fun, more entertaining for me. So yeah, really excited. We're about to leave soon. I might tie my hair up because I might be sweating balls later on. But yeah. I'm so sad. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry it was really all good, bad angles and stuff like that. Yeah, hopefully I get better. But yeah, today we are just gonna head off to the chocolate factory after we check out and then go to Macca's for breakfast and then head back home. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, I guess. Bye.